Hi friends, welcome to the today's tutorial session. Today I am going to teach you how to create a simple 2D animation using Adobe Flash CS3 version. So first of all, you should install Adobe Flash CS3 or any latest version on your system. Once you install, open your Adobe Flash CS3. When you open, go to new file, select flash file XNScript 3.0. you can select 2.0 also, but go with the latest version. This file, when you select this one, this is going to create a flash document that is a .flf format. Using that you can publish the media document in the form of flash movie to the website or any applications. So select and click OK. When you select it, you can see there this area is called as workspace, so where you can add your picture. The left hand side of this layer 1, it is called as, you can add number of layers here. This area is called as frames, so you can add number of frames you want. So you can see here the size of this current workspace is not fit into the exact window we are scrolling. So if you click on Ctrl minus, you can see there this is appear, so you can easily work out on your picture. Before proceeding, we will select the rulers, so using that we can easily fit our image to particular area. So go to the view menu and select rulers. So you can see there rulers is created. So you can see that left side and on the top ruler is created. Now if you this flash size is 550 into 400 pixel. If you want to change, click on that. I want 672 into 210 or 300. So you can select the everything default. If you want the background color, you can select the background color. Frame rate, if you want to increase, you can increase the frame per second and click OK. So you can see the background color. With background color, your workspace has created. Now we'll take the rulers. So this is your initial point. The now left, you can just increase little bit. So again, take the ruler, fit into the bottom and the right corner. So it is done. Now the next step is we should add the picture. So adding the picture, there is two method to import the picture into your workspace. The first way is you just go to the file menu. There is the option called as import. You can see there is something called an import to stage, import to library, external library, and import video. So import to stage, it will add one picture on your workspace. If you select the import library, it will be added numbers of pictures on your library files. So we can go with the import to library. You can select the picture as many you want. I'm selecting two picture and clicking on open. So once you open, you can see there the left side the two images has appeared. So now we want this image to be used. Just select this image and drag on the screen. So when you drag it, you can see there, this is the out of our selected area. So we want to resize this picture to fit into our workspace area. So there is, you can use a shortcut, or you can select by here there is something called as free transformation tool. You can select, or you can press Q. So if you press Q, you can see there on the images, all corners, to resize picture, the small icon is appear, so you can resize the picture. So you can see there, if you resize this, you can see there the picture has resized from all four corners. So we have to fit into the window, fit here, okay. Now we want to the remaining this portion is there. So if you want, see, if you are resizing the picture from all corners is getting resized, either if you are selecting from width side, so only width side getting resized. If you select from height side, it will be resized from the width. So suppose I want to be resized only right side, select, keep press Alt button, and then you resize the picture. Now you can see there the picture is not gone to the left corner of this. So this is your things. Now you can select your normal tools, that is the selection tools. Now we want this to be up to how many layer you want, like 50. I can create 50, and this frame we have to add it. So frame means if you add it, the number of frames, the images will be copied onto the up to what the frame you are going to select. So there is a two method. One, you can right click and insert keyframe, or you can right click and press shortcut F6. So if you press the F6, you can see there is a keyframe has inserted. So go to the first layer, right. So there is, now we want to create the motion. So to create the motion, you press F8. So F8 will create the movie clip, buttons, graphics. You have three options. So here we are going to create an animation, so we have to select the movie clip, click on, you can rename whatever you want. So by default I'm leaving, give OK. Once you create it, you can see there, if you double click, that means motion has created. So we have created the motion, but there is no movement. So between any of the frame, just right click and select create motion tin. It means from a static to end, if you are changing anything, the motion will be created. For example, we are going to the last, I'm resizing the picture. Before then, we will save it the file. You can save any with the name. So just save it. Now if you press Ctrl Enter, you can see there our initial frame was from zoom to the small one, so the motion has created. Now we can add another layer. So click on insert layer. So here we are going to insert a blank keyframe. That means up to this there is no image, the first layer image will be keep rotating. So if you want to lock the layer 1, you can lock it, so it cannot be moved. Even if you want to hide, you can click here, it will be hidden. So now you go to the layer 2, and now we are going to click on second picture. So same way, click on Q button, then press Alt, resize it, and it will fit into the window. Same way, right click, same way you just click on the picture, select the selection tool, click on the picture, press save it. Okay, now so this is the we want up to 75, so click on F6. So after this your images has copied, right click, create motion twin. So now let's play. So you can see there the image has just changed in the very normal way. So if you want to give any transition effect, that is called its alpha effect. So to give the alpha effect, so we want here this picture should be a little bit, the transition should be less. So what we are going to do, we are going to give the we are going to give here one keyframe. Select this, go to the below, you can see here there is something called as colors. You can select alpha. Now you can see there, if you are changing the so give the alpha and totally reduce it. Now you click save it and give control enter. So you can see there this has been changed and this has been highlighted. So if you want this picture, you can see there this picture having the transition. You can give the transition, separate transition. Again same way, press F6, select the image, go to alpha, increase it up to some level. Again somewhere click on F6, select the image, alpha, and then again alpha and 100%. Even you can see this another way, just click on enter button. Now we will save it, click on enter. You can see there the effect. So you can see there the particular point is getting changed and some effect is there. You can see there is some tint effect, so its transition will be appear and it will come again. So this is the way. So you save it. Now if you pressing the control and enter, this file will be exported in the format of SWF file, so which you can use anywhere, like in your web application or any normal application, to add your picture to in animated way. So this will give you a good effect on your website or your presentation. So you can add similar way several frames. So there are many properties are available. You can change the alpha effect, brightness you can give. So you can give the less bright, 100% brightness, or little dark. You can see there again, press control enter, you will see the at the end it is getting dark. So thank you for watching.